All right. It is day 5. January 5th. It is now like 6:06 in the morning. You're supposed to go to the gym. I did not get, like, life is kicking my ass right now. Just super busy, a lot of running around, a lot to remember, a lot to do. It's just a lot. It is a whole lot. So the gym has not been happening, which I'm really not too mad about, but it's a lot. So, I can't go back to sleep. Like, I'm not getting any type of sleep. I'm waking up super duper early, like way before my alarm goes off. And then when my alarm goes off, I feel like I just went to sleep. So it's like, bruh. And then I go back to sleep and it's on and off, on and off, on and off. That's been happening for the last 2-3 days. So yeah, I don't know. But I'm about to attempt some type of workout. My main focus is my core. So something is better than nothing. The girls don't have to get up until about 7, so I'm just gonna take this hour. I'm gonna make some muffins for them and do my workout, shower, try to do a face. I got a client at 9 o'clock, and try to stay on task to get Zaria to school on time and to get Dallas to school on time, so I can get to my client on time. And honestly, after I do my client, if I don't have nothing else to do, I'm gonna just run to the store and come home. I honestly may take my gym clothes with me, and depending on what time I'm done, my client is at 9, so I should be able to make it back this way around 1 o'clock. So if that happened, then I'll go to the gym and then go get Zaria and then get Dallas and then come home, and then I'll be good for the day. Then I can finish editing these videos. So I guess I'll see y'all in a little bit and see how shit's going. Yeah. Before your alarm went off?
Yes. You were like...
Did you go to the bathroom?
No, it was just in the dream, but I did go to the bathroom before it did happen.
Oh, okay.
I also had a dream too.
You had a bad dream too? What happened?
So, I was sitting on Zaria's bed, having like a talk to her,
Okay.
and somebody busted, and literally busted the door open.
Oh no.
But was it actually a demon?
It was a demon?
No.
Oh, it was not a demon.
He was dressed like a demon.
Dressed like a demon?
Yes.
Okay.
And it was he.
A he? Okay.
He took
Did he?
And then he started talking to me.
Mm.
But I didn't hear what he was saying.
Okay. All right. So, those are their dreams. Today is the first day back to school from winter break for Azaria. And
this is day 3 for me.
it is day 3 for you. That's absolutely correct. I'm low-key running on E this morning. I did manage to put a face together, so go me. Hoping, praying, and wishing I can make it to work on time for my client at 9 o'clock. This will be the last time I schedule an appointment this early, because I usually don't do appointments at 9 o'clock because I know what my mornings are like. So I usually do 9:30, 10 o'clock, but I did make an exception, and I'm low-key bless you. Low-key regretting it, but it's all going to work out fine. It is going to be whatever it is going to be, and all I can do is try my best to make sure that I get there on time or not too late. So I need traffic to be on my side and all of that. So yes. Oh, I did do my morning workout. I planned on making breakfast this morning, or making muffins, but there were no muffins. There are no pancakes. So I did try to make some peanut butter, like, energy balls. The kids didn't like them. I honestly didn't like them that much either. So cereal it was. It is what it is. It's going to be what it's going to be. So I am finishing up in the salon. I probably got about like an hour to go. So I'm just going to do some edits, watch some TV. I've been watching Stay Close, and it's actually pretty interesting. Stay Close on Netflix, though. Y'all go check that out. Tell me how y'all like it. What's today? The 5th. So I'm going to try to push out 3 videos today. I know every day I say I'm going to try to do this, I'm going to try to do that. But I am trying. I am very much trying. So pray for me, okay? This shit is rough. This shit is hard. This shit is very much hard. I didn't even do an outro on the last one because Assist was tired, but we gonna get shit together, okay? We are really gonna get shit together. So like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all social platforms. Lala Danielle. Subscribe to my website, laladanielle.com. I'm trying to get my blog back popping. I can't even do these videos, so I know I can't really do a vlog right now, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. So yep. So we got, what you doing?
So we're making tacos, and right now I'm stirring the meat.
It's ground turkey.
Ground turkey.
Mm-hmm.
And when you stir it, make sure you chop it up so it can turn nice and brown. Make sure there's no pink in it.
Mm-hmm. Gotta get your seasonings out too.
What seasonings do I use?
We're doing tacos, so what kind of seasoning?
I know.
Can you find it?
I just know it's red.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And get some salt and pepper.
No, you just use that because that got enough of what it's gonna need. You can wait because we gotta drain it. So all that fat and stuff in there, you don't want to eat that. So We're gonna let it finish cooking. We're gonna strain all that fat out of there. Then we're gonna season it.
Okay.
Okay. What are you doing while you're cooking?
I am doing my chores. I have to hand wash the dishes today, so I have to get all the dishes out and put them in the put that in the dishwater so it can soak.
All right. So we have a dishwasher schedule where she uses the dishwasher every other day and hand washes the other days. So
I can see your face.
they can't see my face?
You have to put it down.
I can't put it down. They ain't gonna see my
Okay.
face like that.
There.
Oh, okay. Well, if y'all couldn't see my face before, you most definitely heard my voice. But anywho, let me tell you what I'm doing. I saw a TikTok. Y'all know I'm a little bit on the spiritual stuff. Hold on. Yes, Rain. You said what? Yeah, what? My phone? You want my phone? You want to talk on the phone? What you want to do with the phone? What you watching? Okay. You watching that? Okay. So, somebody text me. So, back to what I was saying. You know, I'm a little bit on the spiritual side. So, I saw a, excuse me, sorry.
It's okay.
I saw a TikTok about, you can see me, okay, about basically manifesting and eating your magic. That's what it's called. So, I've never heard of that, but it sounds pretty cool. I mean, shit, why not? So, the recipe is, hold on, let me make sure that I got what I need. I thought I had it. Oh, here you go, right in front of my face. Okay. So, the recipe is, it is honey, pineapple, and cinnamon. And what I've also learned about being on the spiritual side of TikTok is that cinnamon helps you manifest money. And last year I did the, last month I did the, what was it? Oh, I don't think y'all can saw me. I did the ritual with the cinnamon in front of the doorsteps, and you wash your hand, or doorways, and you wash your hands with cinnamon, and you say your manifestations and prayers. That's what I did, and I made a lot of money last month. So we're gonna do it again in a different way. So I have my pineapple. I need to put it in. Good?
I like it.
Okay. All right, so no more pink. Put it in there. Dump the good Good job. Put it back on the stove.
Okay.
Good job. Now put it back in there. Just dump it slowly. Okay. And that's why you don't drain your dishwater until you're done with all the dishes. Okay?
So I'll try to wash it.
And while you're doing that, what happened to this? Oh no, it was just hard to open. So go ahead and don't put a lot. What did Daddy teach you?
He told me to count it and how to take it.
Mm-hmm. You can always add, but you can't take away. You can do a little bit more. Let me see. Just shake it a little bit like that. To get it all on there.
It's okay to make a mess?
Yep. But don't make a mess on purpose. That should be enough. Okay?
Now stir.
Now stir it up. And we'll be back. Let's get some. Gotta prep a little bit. Okay, so of course, I knew we were missing something, but I didn't know what we were missing. I thought it was the cheese, but we ended up having cheese. We ain't got no damn sour cream. I'm like, sis, I gotta get some sour cream. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so the dinner's almost ready. Okay, so Zaria finished making dinner. I got the sour cream and cheese. How is it?
It turned out really, really good.
Good. How is it, Nugget? Other than it falling apart, how is it? Does it taste good? Yes. You like it, Rain? Okay. All right.
Mommy, yuck.
Okay, so it is currently bath time.
Mommy?
Yeah, bath time. I have showered. Raymond is currently in the tub, as you can hear. Dallas took a bath. Zaria is finishing up her chores. And getting ready for school in the morning. And then she has to shower. Then we're going to read a book. And everybody's going to be laid down by 8 o'clock because I am tired, okay? Super tired. Tomorrow is kind of a chill day tomorrow. Tomorrow's kind of a chill day tomorrow, whatever. You get it. So my plan is to go to the gym in the morning. I haven't been to the gym all week, but I have worked out. So I think I'm gonna hit the gym. I see that water just splashed on me. Lord, rain.
This is my mommy.
Hold it up.
She has one rose right there.
Hold it up. Hold it closer. Let me show you.
It has a rose in the heart because mommy and my daddy are in love, and it has a rose because she has lots of flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Color. See? Going.
She look like me.
Yes.
She do.
Hey, mommy.
What? Say hey.
Hey. Hi, guys.
What's your name?
Raymond.
Raymond? Yes. How old are you?
16.
not know 16. How old are you?
Oh no.
You don't know? You're 2.
2.
All right. High five. Okay.
Okay, Cyrus.
All right. So it has been a long day. And I'm realizing that my last 2 videos didn't really have endings, you know? So it's kind of like shit just ended. I promise I'm going to get better with this editing stuff. It's just that my week has been, and it's only Wednesday. That's the crazy fucked up part about it. It's only Wednesday. And my week has been very much busy. So here's the ending. Y'all just make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. Lala Danielle, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter. And add that .com at the end to head to my website. And that's it. So, peace out, kings, queens, and in-betweens.